In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to increase the text size and font size on AOL using a web browser. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. Also, make sure that you're signed into your AOL mail account by entering your credentials. Once you get to the main homepage, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll a bit down and toggle on the button right next to enable large text size, and you will then be able to increase the text size or the font size on AOL interface. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.